All right, so this is the topology that we can that we will be go through and install all the components operating system in front of this lab. So we have the server 2022, and we have two Windows 11 client machine, and also we have attacker machine which is running Kali Linux. Okay, so and then we will be what I'm gonna use the virtual platform virtualization. I'm using VMware Workstation, so you can also use the VirtualBox. Okay, so without wasting, let us get into it. So I'm gonna right click, start this one, click this one, and then we have the Microsoft Windows is fine. We're gonna go ahead and do the name, whatever name that makes sense to you. You can choose that one. So this is the password. We can say something very simple, but it's not required, I believe. I'm not sure. Okay, so we're gonna go next, and then we're gonna increase the hard drive. Okay, we don't want to customize anything, but the RAM, if you have less RAM, you want to make sure that you can at least run 2 GB. If you have 8 GB on your host, then you can reduce this to 2, but I have enough RAM, so I'm gonna leave 4. Okay, so I'm done. Next. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and edit the virtual machine to attach ISO image, and then we're gonna use this one and select this one. You're gonna check where you download all the virtual machine. So I download all the way this folder. So this is the server, and then we click OK. So now it's attached, so let us power on. Okay, so the server is ready, so let us power on and see if it comes up. Okay, so we're gonna wait a few seconds. It's coming up. Okay, now it's coming, and then enter. So it will go through the process, and while it is hustling, let us pick up the Kali Linux. So we're gonna open the Kali, and here is the I'm gonna make sure that it is right one. So I browse all the areas here, and here is the Kali Linux, and select that, so open, and yep, boom, it's gonna power on. Okay, so now it is power on. We don't do anything, it's ready, everything is installed. That's great. So let's go to the server side and let us start the installation. Okay, so we're gonna click this one and say install. Okay, so it's gonna go through the process, and we're gonna select a few things. We're gonna set up the initial installation. Okay, so we're gonna use the standard evaluation and next. Okay, then we're gonna accept the license. We're gonna choose the hard drive that we partition it, so we have the 80 GB, which is fine. Okay, now it's gonna go through all those processes. It's gonna reboot, and then once it's done that, it's ready, then we will be back. All right, so it's come here. So let us put the password. So make sure you have you don't forget this password. Okay, you want to make sure that it's the right password. Don't put something you don't remember. Okay, so and finish. So it's gonna it's ready. So just one more thing, the Kali is ready. We can only change the name. We can rename, I mean, like we can Kali something like VM, like that. So okay, so now it's ready. So I'll see you next video.